Hey everyone, I'm back with another question on PMP exam prep. Alright, so let's take a look at the question. Project manager is working on a healthcare software system to ensure that every approved requirement is tested and validated through the development and quality assurance. She uses a document that links requirement to their corresponding design, development and test cases. What is this document called? Option A, work breakdown structure. Option B, requirements traceability matrix. Option C, configuration management plan. Option D, quality management plan. Now let's look at each option one by one. The first option is work breakdown structure. A work breakdown structure is a hierarchical decomposition of a project into smaller, manageable tasks or deliverables. Here on the screen you can see there is a work breakdown structure of a house construction project where I have divided the project into two phases. First is government approval and second is construction. Then comes the control account where the government approval is again divided into electric and water. Construction is divided into ground floor and first floor. Then each control account is again divided into work package. That is, if you see the electric control account, it is divided into meter and cable. If water, it is divided into meter and cable. Then if you see ground floor, it is divided into foundation and wall, and first floor, it is divided into floor and wall. So this is how we break the work to give a wholesome understanding that what we are going to do in a project. So this is what we call as WBS, work breakdown structure. Question is about a document which maps the requirement to its corresponding design, development and test cases. But work breakdown structure is simple decomposition of project into smaller and manageable tasks or deliverables. So work breakdown structure is not the correct answer. So option 2 is requirement traceability matrix. So requirement traceability matrix is a document that links project requirement to their corresponding design, development and testing phases to ensure all the requirements are fulfilled. So according to the question, this is the best fit answer and hence this makes option B correct. Here on the screen you can see a format I have pasted for requirement traceability matrix where we map the requirements to the business needs, opportunities, goals, project objectives, WBS deliverables, product design, product development or test cases. Next option is option C, configuration management plan. A configuration management plan is a document that outlines how configuration management will be applied to the project. Let's understand this with a very simple example. Let's suppose this is a cake here. And there is a recipe fix for this cake which is used by 15 other cooks. So 15 other cooks uses this same recipe so that to maintain the same taste of the cake. Now suppose I want to change, one of the cook wants to change something in the recipe. So he can't change on his own, right? He has to take permission from all the stakeholders, all the cooks who are using this recipe, inform them. If they agree, the change can be done. So this is known as configuration management plan. How you need to change or configure your requirement, the plan is known as configuration management plan. So this option is again an incorrect option. Last option is quality management plan. So a quality management plan is a document that outlines how quality will be managed throughout the project. Hence, it does not matches the requirement to their corresponding design, development and test cases, and this makes this option wrong. Alright, hope you liked the video. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.